before some time, you have observed that the benches were not arranged properly.
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना? So you all have started the arrangement of the benches. So can they arrange by themselves?
No,
No.
ma'am.
So how you make them to arrange?
By applying force.
By applying force. Very good. So today's topic is force. Then we are starting the So you have said that by applying force we have made them to move. So can you define the force?
Yes.
Say Amandeep ma'am please. Amandeep sorry.
Force is a pressure pull.
Very good. Sit down. So we can say that force is a push and pull an object. This is a chair. This is a table. It cannot move without pushing or without pulling. Suppose I am pushing it can start move. But pulling also and stretch also. When we stretch something and when we squeeze something, then we can say it becomes to move. So there are some changes occur when we apply the force. You all are sitting here only due to the force because some forces you are having gravitational force we can say. So there are two types of forces. First is contact force and second one is non-contact force. In contact force, we apply the force when an object come in contact with the us or another object. And like we can say frictional force. Frictional force, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you tell?
Sir, when an object move on the other surface, so there will be the friction.
The force exerted